Hey, what's up, everybody? My name is Dylan, Space Cadet Crypto, and we have some more Shiba news today. We do have an update from the India COVID Relief Fund. As you remember, they were the ones that got that donation for, at the time, around $1 billion worth of SHIB tokens from Vitalik. So we have an update on them that I want to go over with you and why it's important, and also a price update on my last video, which we're seeing now is, since we're seeing a whole market dump, we are seeing that the ascending triangle that I drew yesterday is starting to break to the downside. So we're going to be going over price targets for that as well. But if this interests you or any other Shiba news, other altcoins as well, make sure to like and subscribe to the channel because I'm going to be going over it all here so you don't miss any important updates. But let's jump right in. Okay, so now we see that India's COVID crypto relief fund here has come up with an update, and it says coming at you with another transparency update that 10% of SHIB was converted to USDC. And if you don't know what USDC, it is a stable coin, and usually stable coins are backed by a dollar, so they're usually in the form of dollars. And USDC is United States dollar coin. Every single dollar, digital dollar, is backed by an actual dollar here. So if you're wondering, how do I convert my gains that I find in my altcoins or in Bitcoin, if I want to transfer that into something that I can turn into fiat, then you want to go into either USDT, which is USD Tether, or USDC here when you want to start transferring your gains over when the bull market is coming to an end. So that's just another tip. But we do see that they converted, total money converted so far is 30% of the donation of what Vitalik gave in SHIB, and then total proceeds generated from this 10% conversion is estimated at around $48 million here, and the transaction hash. So this means where you can see the transaction actually that took place. If we look right here, we do see that this transaction happened 5 hours and 30 minutes ago. It was from the USDC to crypto COVID relief for around $48 million here, and put it into the India COVID relief fund. And if we look here on their wallet here as well, we do see that they have converted $48 million worth into the the India COVID relief fund from this wallet here. And then they also have an inflow of another $60 million last week. And let's see, they sent out $5 million, I guess, to pay for some supplies in India. But this is the proof right here that they have already transferred USDC from SHIB and they put it into their wallet here. So this is the update that they have for SHIB so far. So this is very important because every time we do see an inflow of the Shiba Inu coin, of the token, from this India COVID relief fund, every time they sell or they swap out either Shiba for USDC, they convert it into that, and then we get the Shiba into the circulating supply. That is going to lower the price, but it's very good that they are doing it in small increments. As you see here, we do see that they are only doing it like 10% this time. They've only done 30% so far since they got the donation, which was about 2 weeks ago, around the 13th, I think. So now it's the 28th, almost the end of the month. So they are doing it in very slow increments, and this is good because it does not affect the price as much if they were to sell everything and convert it into a stable coin and then put the rest of the Shiba into the circulating supply. So this is good that they are doing it at slow increments. If they were to do it more, then it would decrease the price a lot. But now we are seeing a retracement from this, and also from the broader cryptocurrency markets that are retracing because Bitcoin cannot find its bottom just yet. It is retracing down to a further level, but it is still finding support in the 30,000 region, which is good to see. If it were to dip below $30,000, then it would be more of a bearish signal. But as of right now, it's still holding around $35,000 to $36,000, and we do see the broader altcoin market also retracing a bit. I did pick up some more altcoins on sale as well. Remember, we always want to buy when there is support and then sell when there is resistance. And we did find resistance with Bitcoin's price at around $40,000, and we are retracing back. So waiting for the next leg up, but we do see that apart from the broader altcoin markets that is retracing, we do see that Shiba Inu coin is also retracing, partially a little bit to do with this conversion from SHIB to USDC. So we are seeing more SHIB in the circulating supply right now. But we do see that if we look at the price for Shiba Inu, I did make this ascending triangle right here, starting from here and here, and we were trading within this range, and I said it was very critical to make a bounce off of this ascending support so we can retest this area of resistance, but we did not actually do that. We actually broke to the downside, and we are trading below this EMA ribbon right here that's curving over and making that dynamic resistance across the price action right now. So we are trading below this range. We did not successfully get over this area, which I said was going to be very, very strong resistance, because we do have our resistance box up in this region where we found just wicks to the upside. The price went all the way up here, but then got pushed back down into where it closed down below it. So we are seeing a lot of resistance in this area, along with our EMA ribbon that's curving downward. So this is not looking good for the Shiba token, but we are seeing a broader retracement of the markets. We did, in fact, close a couple 4-hourly candles below this pattern. So we are going to see, will we come back down and retest this area here of support, which we found multiple times right here. So this is our first area of support. We do find second areas of support down here in this region, but remember, the breakout target is from this ascending triangle is going to be here from the top to the bottom. So now it's going to be around this area at $0.000042 for the Shiba token. Are we going to go back down to this level here, all the way down here? It just all depends if these areas of support do hold and we do see a reversal for the wider cryptocurrency market. There's still a lot of fear left. People are still hesitant to buy in. So once we do see a little bit of a retracement from Bitcoin's price, although we did not see a great retracement, let's look here to see how much did it actually retrace. So we did see a 7% drop. And that led to even more selling because people are still very fearful. So once it starts going back up to those 40,000s, closing multiple daily candles above it, we are going to see that reversal come in. But for right now, all altcoins are suffering. As we saw here, we also did see that M pattern play out. So we are having an M right here, and the neckline was down here. So if we measure that move, let's see if we did hit that target. Yeah, I'm going to be more conservative and take the lower high right here from here down to the neckline. Let's see where that price target is down here, and we actually almost hit it right here. So the level would have been 0.000073, and now we're at 7.8. So this is what it's looking like right now. We did hit this M pattern price target down here, so we are going to come in for another retest. So we are coming here, retesting this area. If we come and retest this area of support, that is now, if we get rejected, would be resistance. But if we come and retest it, come back up here, then we are still intact. Because if you want to draw it like this too, we could in fact draw the ascending triangle to contain this area right here, right there. So it just all depends if this 4-hourly candle starts coming back up and trading within this range. But this is going to be very difficult because we are seeing a lot of resistance coming into play for this ascending triangle. But as you can see, we are still intact here if we draw it this way. But if we drew it from the day before, like right here, then it looks like we are actually trading outside of it. But if we do find that rejection, then we're going to find a lot of selling volume coming down here to retest this lower area of support. So if we do come down here, come back up, retest, get rejected, we are finding support here in this blue box around this area between the 6.2 and 7.2 area. But then if we come back down lower, we'll find it at the 5 area for the Shiba token. So be on the lookout for that. I'll be updating every day here on my channel about this ascending triangle. So make sure to be on the lookout for that. So let's look at a higher time frame now. This is the 4-hourly candles, but let's look at our daily candles now. So as you can see, we are starting to trade outside of this ascending triangle. This daily candle is now starting to close outside of this ascending triangle. And we are finding support on this orange moving average. And as you can see, previously, we have been finding support on this orange line. We found 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 candles as support here from this orange line. But it's very important we do not break below this, because that would ruin our bullish momentum here, finding higher lows every day except for today, where we are finding that retracement in the broader market. We are seeing that the wick is down here. We are still technically making a higher low from this lower wick, but if we do make it lower than this blue wick right here, then we are going to be trading in more prolonged consolidation phase. So be on the lookout for that. We still have 4 hours and 15 minutes left before we close this daily candle, and we are finding support right here as well. But if we do break below this one, we're going to find lower and lower areas to trade in. Let's look at our EMA ribbon as well here on the daily. And as you can see, we are trading inside this EMA ribbon, found it as resistance up here. And now we are finding the very bottom moving average as support. As you can see, we pretty much almost touched it perfectly right here. We are finding this orange line as support and this red moving average as support as well. So it's very important that these two levels hold, or else we're going to be continually going down and trading in these lower levels. All right, but that is it for this video. Just a quick update that we are trading and breaking out and starting to break out from this ascending triangle. This couldn't be in part due to the broader crypto markets that are also retracing, and also the India COVID relief fund selling their Shiba around $48 million of Shiba Inu tokens and transferring it into their COVID relief fund as USDC. So this all could play a part in why the price is going down, but just wanted to make a quick update and telling all of you all what exactly is happening. We do see another bullish sentiment here as well. We are making this W pattern right here. And if we make the second higher low, if this low holds right here, then we can make this W pattern and trade up here and make a recovery. But that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching to the very end. Peace out.